Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer chat history from your old phone to your new phone, or how to transfer chat history from WhatsApp without the need of any backup. So let's get started. We open the WhatsApp application, and of course, after opening the WhatsApp application, don't forget to enter to settings. And in settings, you need to go to chat. And in chats, you need to go to transfer chats. Transfer chats. And as you can see here, we are in the option of transfer chat history to Android phone. So for this option, you can transfer only from Android to Android or from iPhone to iPhone. You can't transfer from Android to iPhone. The chat history will not be sent. Okay, as you can see, transfer your chat history privately and have your most up-to-date messages without using Google Drive. Certain device permissions are needed to connect to your new device. You just need to click Start. And here in your other phone, you will see that you will have a QR code. By the way, your two phones must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And after scanning the code, you will transfer your old chats to your new phone without the use of Google Drive. And sometimes in some devices, it will require some permissions, so maybe your phone will ask for some permissions. You give the permissions and you can find your chat history on your new phone without the need of Google Drive. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like this video, and see you in the next one.